What is up, Yarn Besties? I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a Yarn Bestie, subscribe to the channel so you get access to more content. And if you like what you're seeing in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend this channel to all of your family and friends. Alright, so welcome to a brand new episode of WIP'N It on Wednesdays with the Crafty Crocheter. So now this series is dedicated to all of my whips and projects that I'm either currently involved with or am going to get into. So as you saw in last week's video, I finished up that crocheted scarf and I showed it off. So after much contemplation and thinking, I have decided on a new project to venture out on. So I downloaded this pattern from the Crochet Corner website. I think if you're familiar with Crochet Corner, I think it's like a club or some sort of site or something to where you can sign up for their crochet courses. But I've gotten an email from them with a free pattern. And it's for the Easy Crochet Triangle Shawl. Now, I did a shawl before in the past, but it was from the Red Heart, the lacy easy knit triangular shawl. So I decided I wanted to do a crochet shawl in the triangular form because I've seen these before and I wanted to try this out. So, and I'll go over some of the instructions now. Well, I'll just go over what tools I'm going to need and I'll go from there. So the finished size for this is about 70 inches wide. At the top, it's 70 inches wide. And then for the material for the yarn, I need about 525 yards of yarn. So here is the yarn I'm going to be working with. Now, this yarn I got from my yarn haul at Goodwill. And I have 2 more skeins of this color, but I think 3 of these should be enough for the project. But these came in twin packs, so I'm going to go with this color. And I don't think there's a colorway on this. It's just from Dreamweaver. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's just a variegated yarn. There's no real colorway for this. It's just, but you see some oranges. You see oranges and some blues, some reds, some little bit of a magenta in here. So this should work out pretty nicely. So, and then it says I need a size J crochet hook. And of course, I'm probably going to use the one from Yarnology from Hobby Lobby. So according to the instructions, you're doing increases. So I'm going to read this pattern tonight and get a feel for how this is going to work up. And I may start this tonight, or actually later on tonight, just to see how this comes out. So I cannot wait for this to come out. And then this is what, see if it has a finished. That is so much. All right, so this is what the shawl looks like when it's all done. It's just a standard triangular shawl. And then they got a better picture, a more picture on the front of it. So I cannot wait to get this worked up. So, and again, as normal, I'm gonna chronicle my progress week by week, so that way y'all know what I'm doing. And if you want to follow along with this, I think the pattern is free. If you're already a member of the Crochet Corner, then the pattern should be available, but I think you can find this online. So if you can find out, download it, and if you want to follow along with me, that'd be great. And then if so, let me know how your progress is going versus how mine's going. Oh, and if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.